Hi guys, so wagwan, how are you guys doing? What's going on? What's popping? Okay, so in one of my videos, right, I've explained that either you use butter or oil to actually seal in moisture. So they are called sealants, meaning they seal in the moisture in your hair. And what do you use to moisturize your hair? You use water and leave-in conditioner. So let me show you. So I always have my water with I always have my spray bottle with water to apply moisture to my hair. This is like my first step of moisturization. Then I go in with my leave-in conditioner. So yeah, I apply this also on my hair like this. So this is actually like my major product for moisture. So to seal in this moisture, because obviously the moisture is just here and it could easily just dry up, you get, I can easily just lose this moisture. So what I do is I look for products that would actually help me seal in this moisture I've applied on my hair, and that is where oil or butter comes in. So this is my castor oil, which I can use to seal in the moisture, and this is also shea butter, which I can also use to seal in the moisture. So I'll be showing you how I incorporate both of them to seal in moisture. I'll be using both of them, but in your own case you can decide to use one at a time so that you don't overwhelm your hair, right? So that's enough rambling. Let's get right into it. Shea butter, right on your palm, rub it so that it can melt in your palm. Can you see it? It's already giving this oily vibe, but it's shea butter. Then you massage it on your hair strands all around like this. You can do the clap style, like I'll call it, just more or less like you clapping, but you're just pressing the product in your hair. Don't forget your scalp. You can put some product on your scalp, then massage it in like that. So I'll also show you how to use oil to seal in moisture. So if you're not using shea butter, you can use oil, and the style of the day is castor oil. Yeah, so just pour. It has like a very sticky vibe, if I do say so. So just a bit for the purpose of the video, right? Rub in your palm as you did the shea butter, then apply on your hair to seal in the previously applied moisture. So yeah, your hair, your edges is very good for hair growth in general. Then don't forget the tip of your hair, the clap method, like I said, something like this, just to help press in the product. So with this, the oil and the butter will help to keep your moisture protected, like keep it locked into your hair follicles. So it will seal in that moisture so that you don't easily lose it, right? And the product, that is your water and leave-in conditioner, can do their work in your hair. And shea butter is very good for softening hair, so it's good to have it in your routine. So that is that as regards using castor oil and or shea butter to seal in the moisture. I'd rather you use either of them so that your hair, like I said, will not be overwhelmed with too much product. I was just trying to show you simultaneously how you can use both of them to seal in the moisture. It's a lot of talking. That is why you guys need to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. It's a lot to do content. Anyway, so these are the products I used, and yeah, I will see you in my next. I remain your favorite hair coach. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and get my ebook. The link is in the description box on how to grow healthy, long, bouncy hair as per usual. I'll see you in my next. Yeah, bye.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put that gang on him.